Disinfecting hard surfaces around your home is a simple but crucial part of staying healthy. Using a professional-grade disinfectant like DSV Disinfectant Sanitizer can help you disinfect and sanitize frequently touched surfaces and kill viral pathogens, including the human coronavirus SARS-CoV-2, the cause of COVID-19. So in this video, we'll tell you more about DSV and how you can use it to sanitize and disinfect your home. To shop the products in this video and learn more about protecting your household from the novel coronavirus, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the links in the description below. DSV is a multi-purpose cleaning solution that acts as a disinfectant, sanitizer, and virucide. It's meant for use on hard, non-porous surfaces in a wide variety of settings to provide effective cleaning and disinfection. DSV's powerful formula has been tested and passed virucidal efficacy against a wide range of viruses. DSV's active ingredients have been officially confirmed by the EPA to be effective against the novel coronavirus COVID-19. DSV can be used in many ways, but we suggest applying it to surfaces with a 1-gallon pump sprayer. A pump sprayer is a great tool because it makes DSV easy to dilute with water and apply the solution to target areas. Before you clean your home or handle DSV, be sure to wear the proper personal protective equipment or PPE. And please remember to keep people and pets away from treated areas until the DSV solution dries. For general virucidal disinfection, dilute 1.25 fluid ounces of DSV in 1 gallon of water. Start by filling the sprayer halfway with water, measure your DSV, and pour it into the sprayer. Add the remaining water up to the 1 gallon line. Close the sprayer and shake to ensure the product is well mixed. Apply your DSV solution using a fine spray on hard, non-porous surfaces until they are thoroughly wet. Hold the sprayer nozzle 6 to 8 inches away from the surface you're treating and coat with a low to medium pressure. Allow the surface to remain wet for 10 minutes. After at least 10 minutes, you can either rinse the surface with water, allow the surface to air dry, or use a cloth to wipe up any excess liquid. The surfaces you should prioritize your spray application on are those that are frequently touched. This includes but is not limited to tables, doorknobs, countertops, hard surfaced chairs, the backs and arms of chairs, door and window handles, desks, trash cans, hard plastic toys, mailboxes, bathtubs and showers, toilets, faucets, and sinks. Keep in mind that any surface that comes into contact with food, like countertops or kitchen appliances, must be rinsed after they have been treated. Remember that DSV is only for disinfecting hard, non-porous surfaces. It cannot be used to disinfect soft surfaces like carpets or couches, glassware, utensils, interior of appliances, or used as a hand or body sanitizer. Disinfecting surfaces around your home or business is a key step in staying healthy and protecting yourself and others against viral pathogens. Visit a Solutions Pest and Lawn near you, or visit our website for the expert products and advice you'll need. And don't hesitate to give us a call or shoot us an email. We're here to help.